Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford Ranger Lariat. Coming in this nice azure gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the four-wheel drive driving assist package, as well as the sport appearance package and the trailer tow package. Taking a look at the back here, we do have rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera of course. We do have a nice gripped running board, side view camera, blind spot detection, turn light indicator mirrors. And moving to the front, we do have front park sensing, license plate bracket, block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We do have this nice black leather interior, plenty of door space in the back with leathering on the door. Got a fair bit of storage here, USB and USB-C, and 120 volt just right there. And this does fold out if you don't need that extra person for cup holders and some arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side, now we can see here we do have powered seats, as well as the same leathering we saw in the back there. We've got plenty of door space up front, memory seating for up to 3 drivers, leathering on the door as well, and you have your lights just right there. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 113 kilometers. We do have a leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, toggle-free menu, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control right there. Looking at your main screen here, there we go. You have my view, trip and fuel, off-road, towing, navigation, phone, audio, and other settings. Oh, and you also have vehicle maintenance. Not bad. We have a nice new gear shift on this model of Ranger with your speed adjusters on the side, and you click the button up here to put it into reverse, neutral, or drive. Cup holders, parking brake, your four-wheel drive. You have your auto stop buzzer, park assist, traction, and your drive modes, which do include normal, oh lordy, eco, sport, tow and haul, and slippery. And continue our look here, we have a nice leather center console with tons of storage down there with another 12 volt. You do have a wireless charging pad, a nice little fry holder, or extra storage, whatever you like. Storage here with the USB and USB-C. We got a nice new big infotainment system on this model, which is pretty nice. A nice little storage, which has my other phone in it. Clicking this, you get storage above and storage below. And up here, we do have a nice rear window opener, which is pretty handy. Now looking at our nice new infotainment system, we do have, let me just go home real quick. On our home screen, we will have radio, phone, navigation, media, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, owner's manual, and sketch. In case you're waiting for someone, you can load, please. Sketch out a couple details, save it for later, whatever you prefer. Towing, now we're going to go here, and these are all your settings. You have a calm screen, so you don't get distracted while driving from all this. Driving assist, general, zone lighting, forward assist, all the usual. You got a 360 view of the vehicle, and here you can also change what view you want of it, which is pretty nice. And your main climate controls are right down here, and you have some basic ones down here. And all you have to do is just a touch of a button, and you can go up and down based off that. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is LE19490, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.